Hello, and in this video I will be teaching you how to make graphical user interfaces with tkinter, but just remember you have to have a basic understanding of Python first. You don't have to be advanced though, or you could do import tkinter as tk, but we're just gonna do this one because it imports all of it, make it more simple. Root equals tk. This is your container, but if you did import tkinter as tk, you're going to do tk.tk. But we don't need to do that. You can change this to whatever you want. You should keep it root though to make it simple. Like you can name that window, doesn't really matter. And then if you want the one to say open, just do root.main loop. And now you just got a working window. But it doesn't do anything yet. Let's say you want to set the title, just do root.title. My first GUI. Now it's printing that. This is big. All that does is set the title. So now, if you want to like set it to a certain window size, just do root.geometry. Set it to whatever you want. 400 by 400 is pretty good. And now it's set to whatever you wanted it to be, but it is still resizable. You can disable resizing if you wanted to, but now to make your label, just do label equals label. Root text equals whatever you want. Let's just do my first label. And then it won't print. See, like you don't have anything in the screen unless you pack it onto the screen by doing label.pack. And you can have multiple labels with the same name. Like if you wanted, you could change this, like you can make another one, another label. It doesn't really matter, but you can also make this a custom name like my first. It doesn't matter, but I'm just gonna keep it label. And then if you want to add a button, it's not that hard. It's basically the same, just slightly different. You do button instead of label. Or my first button, because why not? And then even on buttons you still have to pack it, so button.pack. Now you can press the button, but it's not going to do anything. I'm just going to quickly go over the code. So right here, we're importing tkinter. We're importing like all of its stuff by using this. And then this is our container for our graphical user interface. Like it contains everything, basically. You could, so just remember, if you wanted to do import tkinter as tk, you'd have to change that to that. You will also have to change add tk to most bees, but root.title, you would have to change this if you wanted your root to be named something else. But all that is setting the title. This is setting the width and the height. This is just making your label, which is basically just printing text to the screen. This is just a button. That's a button with text that you can click. And then this is our main loop. That's going to start it. Pack is just packing it onto the screen, like bringing it on the screen. You should be able to understand this. If you don't understand it too well, I'm sorry. But yeah, I tried my best. And then, anyways, let's say you want to make your button actually do something. Add this like whatever you want, but just do fprint. Print is just going to be the name of our function. You can change that to whatever you want, but we're just going to do label.config text equals clicked. And then this, if you were to run it, it's not going to do anything yet. You have to do command equals print. Now I want you to guess, do you think this will do something yet? Yes, it will. Just wanted to test you because it does seem like normally you'd want to do label.path, but you don't have to do that on this. So yeah, now you should understand how to make a window appear, set the size, add a title, show text on the screen, and make a button, and a simple function. So yeah. And in the next video, I'll be guiding you through making a to-do list app with tkinter. Thanks for watching, and if you made it this far, and this video helps you even a little, and you don't mind, please consider subscribing.